Today we will be doing an oil change on a 2015 Lexus nx300h, H for hybrid. These are the tools you'll be needing: a filter socket, a 27mm with a half-inch extension for that, 10mm to remove the shield underneath the oil pan, 1/2 socket drive right here, 3/8 socket drive with an extension to remove the filter cap, your filter, and your choice of oil. We'll first start off removing this cover. Removing the cap, and this cap is a bit tight, so we're going to use a wrench and pop it right up. This makes the oil drain out easier, so then it's quicker. If you're small enough to fit under the car, you can do it without jacking up the car since it's pretty high off the ground already, or you can jack the car up, so it makes it a little bit easier for you, which I'm going to do. Once you jack up the car, you'll see there's 1 bolt, 2, 3 and 4 bolts, which use the 10mm to remove from the car. Once you remove the cover, here's your oil pan, here's your filter. Let's start off removing the oil pan, and that takes a 40mm, so I forgot to tell you that. Lefty loosies, righty tighty. Once you've got the bolt loose, put the drain pan underneath and wait for the oil to drain. Once you finish draining, you can put the drain bolt back in. Put the pan out of the way first. Just give it a snug. Not too tight. Yeah, that's tight enough. And now we have to go to the filter. I'm using a square 3/8 box and wrench. We're going to place it into here and again go left to loosen it. Once you get that loose, unscrew it. Put the pan's aim in that rear. And then you should get a special adapter that should come with the filter, and just plug it in and let the oil drain out from the filter. So you go on this, should come with everything, and just plug it into there. Give it a little twist. Oh, go back. Go give it like a little twist in there. Should click in, but yeah. You could skip this part, but if your part right here is leaking from the oil or O-ring being destroyed, it's best to take that off and drain it. So now for the part to remove the oil filter. Line these up with the fins on the oil filter and crack it loose, so go left to loose as well. Once you give this a clean, make sure to remove the O-rings on both of them, and you can place your new filter, new O-ring. Make sure to lube this and this new O-ring as well on that. Make sure to lube this as well. You should clean the inside of that. Once you're done lubing all that, hand tight this first, and then we'll tighten it on when it's on the car. Hand tight this first so you don't cross thread. When it gets tighter like this, then we tighten it with the drive, and make sure once it gets tight, just go for a little tiny nudge and then done. Not too hard, or after you might break this. Then make sure to tighten this as well. Once you get all that done, make sure these are all tight, and then you can put this back on with the 4 screws. Once you get that all done, fill the oil up. For this car it takes 4.4 liters, so fill it up to that point. Once you fill the car up, you can start the car. And notice this car is a hybrid and it won't start straight away, but you have to press the gas. But listen, if you hear this loud rattling noise, it's normal. Yeah, that noise, that's normal. And that's done. Check your oil level afterwards, and yes, thank you for watching and I hope to see you again.